So, hey, that's my summary for the day. I was busy trying to do some UI review in order to see how we move forward with the navigation action bar. I'm actually working on some other things at the moment, but I felt that's kind of an important thing, and we're a little bit, not stuck, but it's kind of important so that we can move forward. So here in that corner, is the latest design. So the idea is that when I start creating a new plan, that's kind of the part where it's important to know how we will do things. We get this little wizard, which has a bunch of steps. And as soon as we confirm one step, with the clicking OK, we come to the next. And if we click X to cancel it, the whole wizard cancels and all the data goes away. But if we make it to the last step, we can confirm, and then that's how we add a new plan. So here we are right in the middle, and when we come to the data config step, we actually get a sub wizard because we can add a certain amount of data cards that are included in a plan. But while we're filling out the data card, we could say, nah, we don't want it anymore. So we cancel only that data card. Let's say we already have 2 cards and we're adding a third one. And then we feel like we don't need the third one, so let's just cancel that. But we don't want to cancel the whole plan. We still want to continue with the 2 cards we already have. So another thing is, while I'm filling out the data card, I probably cannot click OK to go to the publish step. So that should be disabled. Only this one, but even this one should be disabled because we are not here on the last step yet. So maybe here we don't need 2 steps because either I have to go through this one to confirm, or I have to go when I finish this one or I cancel this one, then I can confirm this one. On the other hand, when I'm here inside, maybe I want to just cancel the third card that I'm currently adding and only use 2 cards, but maybe in the middle I decide I don't want even the plan. So I cancel here the entire plan. So we might still need those 2. Now the thing is, yeah, it's a little bit weird that we have twice the same icon. I have to say there is some logic to that. So if I see, okay, there's one wizard and another, maybe I'll get it. Now the thing is, how did we do it before? I opened older versions of the same thing. So here we have basically that wizard that has just a single line before we come to the data config step. But here this thing already needs 2 lines. So I personally prefer that one. It's a little bit smaller and cleaner. And of course, if we go through, it has all these back buttons, which we technically don't need because we can really just click the steps. They're like next to this button and the menu button, so people, I think, can figure out that they can click those steps. Right. So again, once we are in a data card and we cancel that one, we would probably come to that data config step, maybe with 2 plans already, but we can click plus. I personally feel that plus should probably be on the other side here and not on that side. But yeah, that's just a feeling. So here we have the step that we have above here too. Here it's in the sub stepper, and here is also the sub stepper. Now, is that a better solution than this one? I doubt it. I like the new one more. Yeah. Now the navigation buttons, we could have them, but my feeling is still that it's clear enough that you can actually click the wizard steps. Yeah, so that's how it looks. We, on the other hand, over here also have a version where we have an additional navigation bar above the wizard. Maybe this is something that could help. So we have a wizard, and then above we have a bar, and then maybe there's a wiki plus for a sub wizard, and then above is another bar. Would that make sense? For example, here's the sub wizard, but now we have the action bar